Hey folks, let's talk systems again. Let me share the same picture. This is a picture that has been used by the Club of Rome, by everybody who has been very busy trying to change systems to become healthy. With still a growing economy, growing macro economies. Since, well, the 1970s, we've been puzzling, we've been doing lots of stuff, and I'm standing on the shoulders of a lot of giants of the natural step, of the blue economy, of the donut economy, of the circular economy, well, all these economies, and they all have macroeconomic insights. I've always been on the business economic side because I'm a business economist. So yeah, well, I do a lot of stuff. But lately, well, since 2012, I've been starting to do the macroeconomic stuff as well. And then you really need to be in a region. So you are designing for one region. You look at what is, you look at how the economy is, where the sectors are, and then you just design to become healthier. And you stop one thing and you create other things. And I must say, I do it with projects. I don't create companies. I work with companies to make it better, or I work with governments to really design for a healthy system, a healthy macroeconomic, um, well, ecology-driven system. Let me put it like that. So this is a picture from the circular economy. And there's efficiency, which is really good. You can really do zero. And then you have effectiveness. And effectiveness is really to do something that is very important. And reduce, yeah, well, what do you reduce? In Holland, for instance, there's a big discussion about the PFAS. If you want to do it in laws, you have to really make sure you ban them all. So that's not only the PFAS, but also the PFOS and the P whatever, the PF, all the PFs, because they are forever chemicals and you don't want them. So, but then you also have to have an alternative for the thing that PFAS is good for, because PFAS is used for fire extinguishing, and we don't want our planet to burn. So you need to have an alternative. And that is always how I design my systems. Work with the alternatives. In this case, it's helium. That is an abundant planetary gas. It is high in the atmosphere. You can drag it down. You can do helium. You can do all kinds of stuff. So those are the discussions then to see if we can do that with helium, what we could otherwise do with PFAS and things like that, because you don't want to stop something if you then have another problem. So reduce, 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 and think about it, dear friends. Think about it. Think about what you want to solve. What is the problem you really want to solve? Thank you for watching.